Saturday, September the 8th. It's 8:22 in the morning, and you can see we got a temperature of 32 degrees outside. Our first frost, September the 8th. It was colder than that at 4 o'clock this morning. It was around 31 at 4 o'clock this morning. And here at 8:30 it's still sitting at 32 degrees and 60 degrees in the house. Well, let's see if I can do this one-handed here. This is how I powder coat the jigs, and by the time I'm done with them, they will never chip. And the bad part is every color is a different heat temperature. That comes out nice like that, see? Just tickety boom ba, tickety boom ba. Normally I'm holding that paint can in my, or that powder paint in my hand. It's okay. This is for a guy that just ordered them this morning. These are 3/8 ounce bullet jigs. And he ordered 100 of the standard color, and then he ordered 25 of the super glow in the red. But this is just the regular standard red, this one. Like I say, when I'm done the whole process with these, the paint will never chip off, and I have to use a Dremel with a dental drill bit in it in order to open the attachment eyes. You see those attachment eyes there? The paint is so hard that you'll never get them open unless you have a dental drill bit on a Dremel. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need a touch more paint on there. Wasn't quite hot enough. There we go. one more makes 10. Comes out beautiful, eh? Yeah, so this is just a powder. That's all it is. It's just a powder paint. Okay, it's just a powder. And there's a great knack to using it. You know, I can say to somebody, hey, paint me up 50 of this one color or something like that for a customer, and they'll make a mess out of them if they don't know exactly how to do it. And yeah. Let's see, so the only color I'm missing, I got the silver right there. I got the black right there. And I got the pink and that right there. The red right there. And the green right there. And then he wanted yellow chartreuse, which I have some already made up here. So there's what? 1, 2, there's 4 in there. Yeah, so we gotta do up 6 more for them. This is left over from another order. I overpainted. But anyway, folks, that's how I powder coat them. You know, if you would like to order any of these, they're 60 cents 100. Unless you get mixed colors like this, then they're 70 cents 100. Or if you want two-tone like that, they're 70 cents 100. And this is another two-tone yellow chartreuse bullet jigs with blaze orange. And I have round jigs, I have stand-up jigs, I have bullet nose jigs, I have fish head type jigs, right up to, I think it's ounce, 1 ounce. Starts at 3/8 of an ounce. I have 3D bug eye jigs. You can go with either the lifelike plastic 3D eye that looks like real life eye, or with a foil eye. Yeah, and I have tube jigs as well, which some people want them painted just for a bait hook, but most people just buy them for putting inside the tubes, plastic tubes, which I had a bunch of those. And I have twister tails by the thousands of different colors. Anyway, okay, take care.